Right, hello everybody. Me, Sam's going to show you more about another vlog. And today I'm actually at Mini Meadows Farm here in Welford in Northamptonshire, because I'm not sure the last time I actually did a vlog from here. It might have been about a year or two ago, but I thought I'd bring you one from 2022. And I think they have actually moved all the animals out into the fields now, because we haven't found any sheep yet. It's all the alpaca which are inside actually. The ones I was just showing you. Actually, I say that because I'm going to insert that clip afterwards. But yes, oh, does everybody like my new snazzy hat as well? This is S. That's not part of the farm, but I just thought I'd show you that. And I'll show you some of the animals around at Mini Meadows Farm. It's actually quite a warm one today, actually. It's gone from warm to cold, and then it's gone back to warm again. Weather in England, hey. Another one eating the hay. Looks like he's got stuck in the hay.
He's not, I'm taking it over there.
I didn't even know he wanted a carrot.
No, look, he took his carrot over there away from me.
He has. Hello.
Do you want me to go in?
They are interested in the carrots more than the actual food. But you do get a bucket for, you can pay £2 for a bucket actually. You here must be, oi! He's had some of food. I'll give you some more though, come here. Come on, here.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, that's you want to be fed instead. Come on. Oh. Aren't you both cute? Here they are all together. Here they all together. The fence blew and then the sheep got scared, bless them.
Sheep.
Alpacas. I always get my animals confused.
Oh, it's not but down now. It's not yet.
Show's over. Party's over. That's the entertainment. We found one of the goats and he's been dead naughty. Look at him. He's after my food that he's not even allowed to have. Right, we're now in the River Woodland walk area. This area, I don't think that many people actually know about it. It's right at the back of the farm, it is. So I thought I'd show you around this area. You get some magnificent views of the Northamptonshire Lake. I think this is actually the Welford Reservoir actually. I thought Welford River or something like that. Could be completely wrong though. Look at this like remains of a tree here. This bit here, it's like a blooming slide. There's little baby ducklings. I think I've got a few shots. You can just see most of the water right now. So there's 3 bits of decking open to the public, but it used to be actually be able to go further. You could, down this path here. And look, you can see the water coming in, like the tide's coming in underneath me. Here's all the ducks, the rest of them, and that little pond. The play area is up there too, and sandpit's also up there, but it's not good to film down that area because it's really busy. It's Easter holidays and there's loads of kids everywhere. Right, so we just stopped for some lunch before we go and do the bottle feeding. And I'm a very bland person, so I've just gone for a cheese toasty. It also comes with crisps and coleslaw. Probably won't have the coleslaw because I'm not a fan of coleslaw. But also, look at the state of that chocolate cake. Doesn't that look delicious? And a lemonade. Right, we've had lunch and then we've come down to the lambs and we're actually going to be feeding these in about half an hour. Aren't they little cutie pies? Oh, let's take a photo.